Will TikTok Shop steal my info? No, TikTok Shop does not steal your information. The platform follows strict privacy and data protection standards to ensure that your personal and payment details remain secure. All transactions and data transfers are encrypted, and TikTok uses multiple layers of verification to protect user information from unauthorized access. TikTok Shop's security systems are designed to keep buyer and seller information confidential. Like other major e-commerce platforms, it collects only the data necessary to process orders, manage accounts, and improve user experience. Users are also encouraged to enable two-factor authentication for added safety. Many professional sellers who use Helium 10 for business analytics trust TikTok Shop as part of their e-commerce strategy. They rely on Helium 10 to track performance metrics, customer insights, and product data safely without compromising their privacy or business integrity. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you secure access to advanced analytics, tracking, and optimization tools that help you grow your TikTok Shop business safely and confidently.